done here is I bought these candles at the dollar store, and they are, I believe, 3 inches. And then I've taken some painter's tape, I believe that's what it's called, and I've put little triangles or little squares in a triangle form on here. And now I'm going to paint it.
The sun is going down now. Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to apologize, no, we won't waste any more time, yeah. I am all that I need. No need to apologize, no, we won't waste any more time, yeah. You're still stuck on my mind, you won't go away. It's like you are a part of me, the mansion in my dream. Now you won't be there, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be.
Where are you going, babe?
I'm going to the chocolate store.
Is that your favorite place?
One of my favorite places,
Oh,
yes.
yeah?
Not my favorite place, but one of my
No?
favorite places. No.
Oh, look. Look how pretty
I got all
it
that
is
I
here.
need. No need to apologize, no, we won't waste any more time, yeah. I am all that I need. No need to apologize, no, we won't waste any more time, yeah.
So what'd you end up getting?
I got 200 chocolates.
200?
200 chocolates, and then 2 of those chocolate calendars for the grandkids for Christmas. Or maybe I'll keep them.
I'm sure you would.
Fade away for a while. You said you don't mind, that you'll be just fine. No room for second chances.
Okay, my Canadian peeps, are you ready? Yes. There's the CN Tower. And these are super cute. This is the 13-inch, and I think that's a fake candle. These are super adorable. You turn them on, and all the snow pops up. I have a thing with nutcrackers, I don't know why. I've got some of these from last year. You put them in the ground, and they're solar, and they light up. I have them up the driveway.
Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to apologize, no, we won't waste any more time, yeah. I am all that I need. No need to apologize, no, we won't waste any more time, yeah. You're still stuck on my mind, you won't go away. It's like you are a part of me, the mansion in my dreams. Now you won't be there, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to apologize, no, we